Better come get it before I eat it all. You're the one who stayed. You're the brave one. Suck it down. Yeah. Don't share. Get the pickle. You forgot a pickle, buddy. Was that good? You're the brave one. You're the brave one. Want some coffee? Oh, wonder if he likes onions. Didn't like pickle either. Look at all of them. They're going to shit on our head. Did they shit on my face? I felt something hit me right here as soon as I looked out. Such vultures. You're the only brave one, huh? Look at him just sitting there. Hi, bird. I watched a show on evolution last night that they were studying the embryos of birds still in the eggshell. And they took this dye, blue dye, or this gene from this one bird that had a short beak or whatever, and then planted blue dye in it, and then planted it into the other embryo, so they could watch the parts of the body that grew blue, so they'd know what part of the body that specific gene was responsible for. Isn't that amazing? That they can pinpoint now. So now they can turn them on and off. They can turn off the fat gene. They can turn it on for skinny people. You know what I mean? Skinny people that are underweight, they want to gain weight, and vice versa for fat people.
So they can make the perfect baby.
Oh yeah, genetic. Look how dark it is over the OI building. It's gonna rain. Yeah, that over there looks like a movie screen. That building right over there. Hey, the brave one left. We don't have nothing else for him, so he took off.
Can you name the flags?